Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC, and in today's video I will show you on how to simply customize your default media player on your Windows PC. So let's find out. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Windows PC. So with that being said, let's find out. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to come down below right here where you have your startup menu. Right click on start menu and then go to settings, and this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to go to apps. Then under the apps right here, next thing you need to do is to go to default apps. Then you have to scroll down right here and make sure you click on media player. Click on that, and this is going to pop up. Now you have different options right here, such as media player by default, MLC media player, window media player. You can also look for another media player from App Store right here. But in this tutorial, I'm going to simply change to VLC media player. Click on the media player you want to use as your default on your Windows PC, and it's going to be effect just like what you see right here. And this simply means that each time you want to play any media file on your Windows PC, this VLC here is going to be used as your media player on Windows. It's that simple. I hope you really got value for this video. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.